Ever sent a Paysend transfer and found yourself anxiously waiting for it to go through? It can be frustrating, right? In this video, we're going to dive deep into the reasons why your Paysend transfer might be pending and what you can do about it. Part 1. Understanding Paysend transfers. What is Paysend? Briefly explain Paysend as a global money transfer service. How Paysend transfers work, outline the typical steps involved in a Paysend transfer. Common reasons for delays, introduce the main topics we'll be covering in the video. Part 2. Technical issues. Network connectivity, discuss how poor internet connection on either the sender or receiver's side can affect transfer processing. System maintenance, explain how scheduled maintenance or technical glitches can cause temporary delays. Insufficient funds, clarify how insufficient funds in the sender's account can lead to a pending transfer. Part 3. Compliance checks. Anti-money laundering, AML, and counterterrorism financing, CTF, regulations, explain the importance of these regulations and how Paysend must comply with them. Verification process, discuss the verification steps Paysend might take, such as ID checks or address verification. Potential delays due to verification, highlight how verification can sometimes take time, leading to pending transfers. Part 4. Receiver-side issues. Incorrect receiver details, explain how errors in the receiver's name, account number, or address can cause delays. Bank holidays and weekends, discuss how bank holidays or weekends in the receiver's country might affect transfer processing. Bank restrictions, explain how certain banks or countries may have restrictions on international transfers that can cause delays. Part 5. What to do when your transfer is pending. Check your transfer status, show viewers how to track their transfer status on the Paysend platform. Contact Paysend support, provide instructions on how to reach out to Paysend's customer support for assistance. Be patient, emphasize the importance of patience, especially when dealing with compliance checks or technical issues. Part 6. Tips for faster transfers. Double-check details, advise viewers to carefully verify all information before sending a transfer. Choose reliable internet connections, encourage the use of stable internet connections for both the sender and receiver. Avoid peak hours, suggest sending transfers during off-peak hours to minimize delays. Recap key points, briefly summarize the main reasons for pending Paysend transfers. Offer additional resources, mention any relevant Paysend resources or FAQs that viewers can refer to. Call to action, encourage viewers to subscribe to the channel for more financial tips and advice. So, there you have it. Understanding the reasons behind your Paysend transfer being pending can help you stay informed and take appropriate action. Remember, patience is key, and Paysend's customer support is always there to assist you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.